First things first, gotta have coffee. So I'm gonna show you how I make my famous chocolate smoothie bowl because that is what I'm having for lunch today. Perfect, that's good. And also, while I'm in the kitchen, about twice a week, maybe once a week, my mom and I sometimes help make fresh whole wheat bread. That's it there. And that's what I use for my honey toast, which I'm going to show you next. This is seriously my favorite part of the day. Honey toast is so good. And every day I do this. Okay, so as my afternoon snack, today's been busy, so I haven't had like my usual apple or grapefruit. I have these ice sparkling waters. They're really, really good. I've already drank most of it.